Hi, it's Adrian Parsons from Total Property Group on the Gold Coast. What a spectacular spring morning. I'm really excited to bring you our Q3 2025 Royale Gold Coast construction update.
Gennarino Siu preferisce Raul e non va a me. Fe le canna così e fa solo capasti e manca lui. Con una panza così può ballare con me, ma che va fa? Voglio che pisci, la messa di spezza proprio così.
If you haven't seen Royale Gold Coast before, now could be a perfect time as we get ready to unveil our first beachfront display apartment. Very exciting times here at Royale Gold Coast, and we look forward to bringing you the next update in Q4 2025. Contact our team at Total Property Group, and we'd love to show you through in the coming weeks.